Dog moms. I know that I am tardy to the party, as always, but I just found out this past week, thanks to you, Aunt Lindsay, thank you so much, about Tractor Supply has a dog washing station. It's only roughly $10, and for that amount, you can wash your dog, groom your dog in a professional setting. The only thing you have to bring is your dog. Now, I visited yesterday. Duchess loves to be groomed, and the beauty about all of this is that she can be groomed. I can be happy because I don't have the cleanup to do. Now, I did wipe up any kind of water that we spilled, but it's still wonderful. $10. All you have to take is your dog. Tractor Supply Company. I love it.